What's going on, YouTube? It's Kevin from KTMusicGroup bringing you another reaction video. This is by request, requested by Fatima. All right, and she wanted me to react to Human Nature live at Yokohoma, and it's during the Bad tour. So I'm saying roughly 1987-88. All right. It's Michael Jackson, Human Nature. I mean, what else need to be said? Let's get into it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, click the notification bell, merch, all of that. All right. Without further ado, let's get into it. I've never seen this before, so let's do it. That's Mike, bud.
Reaching out, the wings and sleep beside. Hear her voice.
Dude's the entertainer.
Shake my window. Sweet seducing sighs. Get me out the nighttime, for walls won't hold me tonight.
Get him, Mike.
If this town
And listen to the crowd. He do any little thing, they go berserk.
Then let me take a bite. And they say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? Can you hear me that way?
Get him, Mike.
And they say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? Does it do it that way? Reaching out, touch us. Electric eye got everywhere.
And Mike is too smooth. Smooth the way he do stuff.
She knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. If they say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? Did they do it that way? If they say why?
I wonder how many people went to these concerts.
Human nature. Why? Does it do it that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way.
Sound like a flute. Get him, Mike. Look at that showmanship. Hey, come on, Mike. And the band is frozen. Ooh, that band is tight. Dude's just a genius, man. We miss his talent, that's for sure. Hey, Fatima, this is a good call right here. This is a good call. I didn't even know this existed. I knew there was concerts out there, but I don't know where to find them. So, you know, we all just trying to do the same thing. With all this going on in the world, you know, we need an increased dose of happiness and fun. You know, everything's been serious with this situation going around the world. So I'm just doing my best to be a part of it, to be a part of some happiness. You know what I'm saying? If I could do that for anybody, then I'm happy. You know what I'm saying? But when it comes to music and R&B and funk and legends like Michael Jackson, this right up my alley. You know, I grew up on it. The first hit record, I was there. I mean, I heard it, you know, own ears. For you younger people, that was something special. All right, let's get into it. Let's get back to it. I thought he was about to go to his knees.
Do it that way, and they say, why?
Why?
Does he do me that way? And they say, why? Ooh, tell 'em. Hey, does he do me that way? I like living his way.
Keyboard man getting busy. Out of Yeah, going to a Michael Jackson concert, Jackson 5 or the Jacksons, that was on my bucket list. I didn't get to do it, you know, but those of you who got a chance to go, and I'm happy for y'all. I'm glad, you know, somebody had to be a part of, you know, Mike's legendary tours. Man, that music is crisp and clean. Sound like a record. Sounds like a record. Man. That man is a genius. I mean, and Human Nature, that whole Thriller album. It was like, it actually was an album, and I actually do have the album. I got the vinyl, the original vinyl. And every time you move that needle to the next empty space, it was a hit record. Every time you moved it. I can't remember a bad song on there. They just couldn't. I think there was maybe one or two songs that didn't get to become, you know, didn't get made out to be a single. But the songs that weren't made into a single were good enough to be a single on anybody else's album. Ain't good enough on this album. Just, I never heard of a whole album or a whole CD or whole project nowadays. Not even CDs and albums no more. But I never heard of the whole thing. Every record. I think it was 8 or 9 songs on here. I've never heard of 8 or 9 singles coming off one album. All right, but man, we talking Michael Jackson. We talk about the king of live performance, studio performance, vocal talent out of this world. Dance as good as any dancer, any professional dancer, or better. I don't think there's a professional dancer at Michael's peak that could run up on him and outdance him. None. I know Usher, you know, did it in fun in 2001 at Madison Square Garden, but there's no way. Nobody could get with Mike. And plus, all he had to do was add the vocals and it was over. All right? So that's it. That's Michael Jackson. All right. I want to thank Fatima for bringing that to our attention. Thank you for that. You know, we building this together. You know, we building this together during the pandemic, right? All right. Without further ado, 10 out of 10, A+, 2 thumbs up. Smash. Come on now. It's Michael Jackson. Thriller album. Biggest selling album, CD, project in history. No more nothing more needs to be said. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, merch, all that good stuff. And remember, good music is in the ear of the beholder. Great music is timeless. We talk about Michael Jackson, the king. It's a wrap. Mic drop. Y'all take care. Peace.